Hi. At Bay East, we understand that real estate is more than just about learning and growing together. It's about building connections and improving the skills of real estate professionals. Our education department has a mission. We're here to provide realtors, no matter where they are in their journey, with learning experiences that are tailor-made just for our industry. So whether you're a seasoned pro wanting to stay sharp in this competitive market, or just starting out and building a solid foundation, we've got something for everyone. Realtors who are well informed build stronger relationships with their clients. We're providing specialized training like mastering negotiations, keeping up with the latest market trends, and staying on top of legal and ethical aspects. And let's talk about our instructors. They are top-notch. They'll teach you how to provide excellent customer service to your clients to earn their undying trust. And it's not just about education. It's about being part of a community. So, at Bay East, we're here to help you succeed, connect, and thrive in real estate, because when you grow, your clients benefit. And that's what it's all about.